Hello everyone, I'm Shanny here at the Consulates General of Finland in Shanghai, where Finland, Norway, Denmark, and Sweden come together for the Nordic Day. The 4 Nordic countries are celebrating the Nordic Day. So what does the Nordic Day mean?
Nordic cooperation has, in a way, it has so long roots. It has been there since such a long time. When we have a Nordic Day, it reminds us how valuable this cooperation is and this closeness of our countries. It also reminds us of what is good in our Nordic countries. Our values like equality, sustainability, innovations, respect of the nature, also of other human beings, a trust to each other.
The 3-point seatbelt and the Bluetooth were both the inventations of Sweden. Both of them are open patent. What does this spirit of openness mean for international cooperation?
That's really important because that's when you can really serve the needs of the people. To have a joint effort and to see what the real needs are, that you have to have that sort of open attitude towards innovation. That one important aspect of that is to have a close cooperation between different parties. I mean, you have private enterprises, government, academia, and so because then you can take in the real needs of the people. Collaboration is really the key.
Mm-hmm. When I saw the Norway part, one thing really touched me. That is the Svalbard Global Seed Vault. How comes the idea?
Svalbard and Longyearbyen is the northernmost settlement in the world. The ground in Svalbard is cold all year round. So that's why it's an ideal place to keep the seeds frozen without using energy. This idea is to have all these different genetic materials from all the seeds that we used to use, that we use now, but seeds that might be useful in the future. I think China also has some places where you store your meat, because China has a lot of variation also in seeds, and especially for rice.
Yes. In the exhibition, the baby bugs really impressed me and really touched me. How comes the idea and what's the story behind this?
Well, I think the story behind is, first of all, a kind of a Nordic value of equality. Every family should get a similar first aid box to the newborn baby. Give something nice for the whole family, not only for the baby, but for the mother and for the father. And that is also in a way related to the equality.
And the box can be a bed for a baby, right?
Yes. My sons did sleep their very first, they were very big babies, first weeks in the box. That is maybe a takeaway for China. Young families need support, pragmatic, concrete support, just to make it somehow easier for young families to think about even having children.
That is our journey through traces of Norse, and that is the Nordic Day from Shanghai to you. I'm Shanny. See you in the next episode.